Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing a safe environment. Use an emulator or a secondary device and make a full backup before you touch apps. Once done, install the Happymod APK you vetted and enable unknown sources so the install can run. Make sure USB debugging is on if you'll transfer files from a PC. You do this to avoid affecting your main device and to ensure you can restore if anything goes wrong. Now you install and configure the modded package carefully. You choose the mod matching your app version, then download the APK and any OBB or data listed. Once downloaded, install inside your emulator or secondary device and grant only required permissions. Avoid granting system or root unless you understand the risk. If the mod needs extra data, place OBB in the correct Android. Finish by validating the app's behavior. Run through core features and watch for crashes or odd network activity. If problems appear, stop and restore your backup immediately. Make sure to capture logs from the emulator or via Logcat so you can identify conflicts. If the mod compromises privacy or stability, revert to the official APK and delete the mod files. One key tip: always test mods in a sandboxed environment first to avoid permanent damage to your primary device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.